Step into a world of wonder at magical little minds. Get ready for fantastic stories that will transport you to extraordinary places. Remember to spread the magic by liking this video and subscribing to our channel.
I Can Do It Too by Karen Baker. Pictures by Ken Wilson Max. At breakfast time, when we get up, Dad pours some juice into his cup. I can do it too. My sister puts on all her clothes and snaps and zips and ties the bows. I can do it too. Grandma visits me and bakes the most delicious chocolate cakes. I can do it too. Grandpa always reads to me and holds the book so I can see. I can do it too. Picking, plucking, strumming strings, my uncle plays the guitar and sings. I can do it too. If I go bonk and start to cry, my mom can kiss my ouch goodbye. I can do it too. My best friend likes to play that she is in a castle sipping tea. I can do it too. My neighbor rides a bike, and though mine's called a tricycle, I can do it too. The baby learns to walk today. When my family shouts, hooray! I can do it too.
Thank you for joining us on this magical reading journey. If you're ready to continue the fun and learn even more, visit our Etsy shop for exciting educational printables. You can count on us to make learning numbers fun and easy with our popular animal jungle themed kids numbers flashcards. Let's keep the learning adventure going. Head over to our Etsy shop now and make learning numbers a colorful and engaging experience.